We are convinced that every creative project must be able to transmit its own atmosphere. It's very important for us to create an entertaining, stimulating, and solid space. For this reason, we have designed a fantasy world where we'll see all the action happening. Zero will be our main character and the origin of everything that surrounds us. We will discover why he is such an important element for the art of this project, since in him lies the origin of the conflict that will lead us to enter this world. Animation will be used as a method of communication in order to transmit the story that characterizes this world. The animation aims to stimulate the community through different dynamics and mechanics, such as puzzles, challenges, and clues, to connect it directly with everything that happens on Discord and vice versa, so it will act as an extension of this. The airdrops will also have a main role in the different animated episodes that will be divided by chapters and seasons. With this approach, we aim to make the experience of our community members reactive, interactive, constant, positive, and unique within the wall of NFTs.
One of the most important pillars in our project is transparency. Unfortunately, the crypto world is full of scams and junk products on a daily basis. That's why we want to offer our community a complete audit of all our movements we make. We firmly believe that blockchain is the future, but as in any other tech revolution, we have a duty to fight against bad practices. The three transparency bases of the project are: 1. Identity verification of all team members. 2. Audit of smart contracts. And 3. The last but not the least, audit of the DAO wallet transactions. CryptsPAD DAO is aimed at retail investors who don't have financial capacity, time, knowledge, or confidence to carry out such operations. The acquisition of a crypt is not only a way to get into the crypto world, but to be trained every day by a team of professionals and above all, to learn from the community's knowledge. Who has time to carefully study all the new blockchain projects that come up to the market every day? Who is able to spend hours and hours of trading in front of the computer, waiting for the best opportunity to buy or sell? Who has time to review the different secondary markets of NFT collections and find bargains? The CryptsPAD DAO will be created to find all these market opportunities for the community. As you know, 60% of the mint funds will belong to the DAO's community vault. You may wonder, what does it mean? It means if the cost of an NFT is $200, the cost of the token itself would be $80, as the other $120 will go straight to the DAO's community wallet. The main investments will be made on private pre-sales, and the profits will be distributed to the members who has at least one NFT on stake. In any connection, a company dedicated to investments in the blockchain industry, are specialists in this type of investments. We're convinced that this type of investments are the most profitable among the others. The results will be even better, considering that the pre-sale club analyst will meticulously study the upcoming projects, and the entire community will have the power to decide if investing and how much it will be invested. Let's see an example. A person who owns a CryptsPAD NFT, without considering the multipliers or the number of NFT in staking. Suppose that 20 investments have been made throughout 1 year and the average result is a times 7. This $120 would become $840. Therefore, it would be $720 profit. Out of this $720 profit, 50%, which is $108, will be sent back to the DAO's wallet, and it will be added to the initial $120. Therefore, the invested amount becomes $228, which means that the next investments will almost double up the reward. The other 70%, which is $504, will be the profits for the DAO member. These profits will be sent to the wallet where the DAO member has the NFT on staking. The other 50% will be used to cover the DAO management cost. In a pessimistic situation, an average of times 3 as a result, the NFT would generate $168 and an increase of $36 for the DAO's wallet, which will imply a 3% increase in the rewards of the following year. In an optimistic situation, the average of 12 times each NFT would generate $924 and add $198 to the Doge wallet, which will imply that, with equal results, the reward of the following year would be multiplied by 2.65, reaching $2,448. All these calculations have been made considering that the entire collection is in stake, which would be the ideal scenario, but it's quite impossible. In case just 50% of the collection is in stake, the benefits would be multiplied by 2. Do you think that an NFT that is giving you all these yearly rewards is going to decrease in price? Honestly, I don't think so.